What's up guys, in today's video we're gonna make a team-based Tycoon, so you need to be a specific team to do stuff. And also I'm recording this at 1:30 AM. I don't know why I always do this. Anyways, I'll start by making a ground. This is just for looks, so you don't have to do this if you don't want to. And I'll put my collector over here, and this, all of this over here, like that. All right, now we're gonna what are we gonna do? We're gonna make a folder in workspace here. Name this, I'm gonna, whatever you want, I'm gonna name mine Tycoon 1 here. Now we're gonna go to teams over here, and press on plus, create a team. I'm gonna name my team blue. Name yours whatever. And also choose auto assignable off. Then team color, I'm gonna do really blue. Now we're gonna go over here and select everything inside of here, put it inside to Tycoon 1. Then press on the plus, add an object value, name this value owner. Don't put anything inside of here. Now we're gonna make a part. I'm gonna scale it up a bit like this, and I'll name this get base. Put this inside of Tycoon 1, and inside of here add a script. Don't write anything in it, and then press on the plus again, add a billboard GUI. Inside of the billboard GUI, add a text label. Go inside of the billboard GUI, press on always on top. Then go to text label, customize it however you want. I'm not gonna do it right now. Okay, then into text type owner equals none. You can also change the scale, and you can also change the color. I'll make mine red for now for the no owner color. This indicates there's no owner. Then we're gonna go back to this collector here. Go into the collect part, change transparency to 1, and can't touch to false. Now go back to this part inside of this script and type the following: local get base equals script.parent. So the scripts, this refers to the script, and its parent get base. Local players equals game colon get service players. Local type, and this is, name this whatever you want by the way, but this is the Tycoon base. Tycoon equals workspace dot Tycoon 1. Here you have to put whatever you named your folder. Then we're gonna do local collector equals Tycoon, not type, Tycoon dot collector. I think it was, yeah. Was it collector? No, it was, what's this one? Cache viewer, yeah. Cache viewer dot collect. Then local owner text equals script not parent. Actually, we can use to get base dot what's it, billboard UI dot text label. Then we're gonna do last thing, local function, but not last thing, but last variable on hit local play. Never mind, it was not the last. Local player equals of question mark equals players colon get player from character. then hit dot parent, then go down. If not player, then return, and we're gonna do Tycoon dot owner dot value equals player. Then we're gonna do collector dot transparency equals 0, collector dot can touch equals true, then owner text dot text equals owned by the space dot dot tycoon dot owner dot value dot name. Then we're gonna do owner text dot text color 3 equals color 3 dot new. And for example, I'm gonna do green. I'm gonna check which color green is, so I'll do, let's go to the text here, then I'll go for the text color 3, go here, check its value 25 comma 255. I'll do that, copy this, go back to red, go inside the script, paste it in here. Now we're gonna do script :destroy, and then the only last thing we're gonna do here, get base dot touch connect on hit. Remove this. Oh, and remove this. Oh, never mind, I did wrong. It'll be like this, and then this. Now, let's test if this works. So we're gonna have to touch this before we can even use this. This we can touch still. So let's try it. Alright, let's test it. So the florist went away. Alright, that doesn't matter. Touch it. Owned by Frozen Zebra. Why is it yellow? That's not supposed to be yellow. Anyways, now it changed the text. And then don't mind these messages, we're gonna change that later. We're going inside the Tycoon 1 and in owner, you see the value Frozen Zebra is there. And now we can check this button appeared, but this still doesn't work now, and we're gonna fix that right now. So first way I can actually do this, we can actually do this. We go here and anchor and can collide off. Now we're gonna go into this part, collector here, and then script, and inside of here we're gonna add instead of workspace dot cache viewer, it's gonna be the workspace dot tycoon 1 dot cache viewer. Alright, now we're gonna do nothing here. We're still gonna have to change, I think, something in here. Let's check. Here, yeah. If not db, then, and then here we can do if first we're gonna do local here, local owner equals workspace dot tycoon 1 dot owner, and then we can do if owner dot value equals to player, then we can add another end in here. Now this should work. Checks if the owner has value. Yeah. This we also gotta change this. Look, cache viewer equals tycoon 1 collector. There. Now let's test it out. Alright. Owner none. Owned by owner by. Okay. Don't mind that saying owner by. Okay. Now this collects. This gives the money. Touch it. Still nothing happens. Why that? Main part is not a valid member of part. Cache viewer tycoon 1 dot collector dot main part. So not a part of collector. Wait, what? That's weird. Cache viewer. Oh wait. That's weird actually. Oh, it says it's not supposed to be collector. My bad. It's supposed to be cash viewer. My bad. Okay. Now it should work. And I'm gonna anchor this part. And the reason why we make this part invisible in the beginning is because I don't know. There is a better way to do this, but the way I have done it was just it didn't work to have it still there, so I had to make it so you can't touch it. But yeah, owner by Frost Zebra. Still don't like that. It says how much cash we got. I can't touch it. Collector is not a valid member of workspace. Okay, collector.cashier. That's because it's not supposed to be a collector. It's supposed to be Tycoon 1.collector. Now I've done many mistakes. Sorry. It should work now without any problems. Alright. This still works since this is enabled. It actually gives money. Yeah. But if we go here, touch this part now, then you'll see we can get the money. So the problem is we're in neutral team. We're supposed to be in blue team. So we're gonna go back to this script where we touch the door. And we're gonna do instead of here. I don't know why it's yellow still. It should be green. Like this. Oh, but 25. How did I get in there? I must have done something wrong. Well, there. We're gonna exit out this script. Out of here, we're gonna do player, not players, player dot team equals game dot teams dot blue. There. Now you can actually go inside of here. Yes, I think view maybe? No, model. Then up here, spawn. I'm gonna make mine much, and I'll shrink mine. Change the color, doesn't really matter. I'll change mine to really blue. Inside of here, I'm gonna scroll down, and then not neutral, team color, really blue. Remember to put this as the color you put as your team, otherwise you won't be able to change. You can change its force field, by the way. Alright, now we'll see here. Don't press on allow team change on touch, because that will make it so you can touch it. Now we should be able to switch teams when you touch it. Alright, let's check it. Touching it, I get the blue team. And I still made this, oh my god, I still made this blue. Somehow I made it blue. Alright, that doesn't matter now. The team base works. I don't know if this spawn will work. Oh, it does. Okay, now. Yeah, so I won't actually do the buy buttons right now. I'll do that in the next video. It's really late for me. It's 2 AM now. We don't talk about that though. But yeah, I'm gonna go sleep. Have a good day. Bye bye.